Okay, so this is part of the midterm practice study guide series. For step number 5, notice we're on the actual form here, and within the form it has numbers. You can go. Remember, if it's 0, it shouldn't show up on the result page. And I like the formatting here. Let's just look at the code and see what's going on here. A real basic form. Remember, we always start with this exclamation point doc type HTML at the top, and then we do our 2 HTML tags, our 2 body tags, and then we have an H2 up here. That's just basically a heading. This is welcome to Jeff's ice cream parlor, close H2, and then we go right into the form. Within the form, we use breaks to do some spacing. Okay, got breaks at the end of the line and breaks between some of them, and then we also have our input. Within the form itself, you have your action, which is where the file should go when you click the submit button. Where does it go? And also what method it is. The method, there's 2 methods, post and get. We're going to use post in this class, and post simply sends this data to this next form. So notice we have some input types. These are just basic text with 3 inputs next to it. These input types happen to be number. Same thing with ice cream sundae. These just happen to be number. And then down here we have our input type for our tip, and it happens to be a radio button. So notice that all the types are radio, and the name is the same on all of them. And then we have values of what we're going to times them by. So 0.2, 0.18, 0.16, and 0. That should help. This is what you would look at for the to make sure you can set this up. You should be able to do this by heart. You should be able to, like, look at a form that I give you, and you should be able to do something as simple as this by heart, by rote memorization.